Hi, thank you for watching this video. I'm Peter Daniel, a professional researcher and data analyst. I'm also a trainer in data analysis. Now in this video, I'll show you in simple steps how you can run a descriptive statistics using Excel. Now descriptive statistics basically produce summary statistic for you. That is the mean, the median, the mode, the range, the kurtosis, the skewness of your data set from your data set. So on my screen, I have a few data that were entered on Excel spreadsheet. So I want to just do a descriptive statistics on some of the variables for the purpose of this video: sex, the household size, the marital status, the age, the highest level of education. So to run my analysis, I'll come on the menu bar, I'll come to data. Then once I click on data, I'll come to data analysis. Now, if you don't have data analysis in your Excel, don't worry about it. Just watch my other video on how you can install and add in to your menu bar so that that will come up. So I click on data analysis. So I want to run a descriptive statistics. So I'll click on descriptive statistics. I click on OK. Then it's asking me for input range. That's a dialog box asking for input range. So when I click on this small arrow key, it takes me back to my spreadsheet and I can select all the statistics I want, the range I want it to cover. Now I've selected it. My spreadsheet has over 239 sample points. I'll click here. Now because the Excel will work with numeric, and I've also copied a string, so I will just click on these labels in my first row. So that will now tell Excel that the first row is the label. So I want this result to be in another worksheet. I want it to be in a new worksheet. You can put it in a new workbook, or you can put it in the same sheet but in a different output range. But I want it a new worksheet, so I'll leave it on check, so it's a new worksheet. Then what I want to see is summary statistics. So I'll click on summary statistics. Then I'll click on OK afterwards. But before that, look at my sheets. Look at all the sheet I have listed out. So I'll click this. It will add a new worksheet for me. So I'll say OK. So you see it has included a new worksheet for me. So I can rename this sheet and call it descriptive. If I call it descriptive, so this is the descriptive statistics, and here's my results. Now thanks for watching this video. You can go on to make interpretation with the result of your analysis. Of course, the mean age from this analysis is 41.61. Now if you love my video, kindly subscribe to my channel for other videos. Thank you.